Okay, we are back down on the boat. Time for another upgrade. I'm gonna pull this battery switch out, clean up everything back there, and cut a big hole. So, I can put this in. So going from a single switch to a triple. Got a battery here, battery there. I'm gonna put house battery and port battery over there, starboard battery over here. Get her wired up. I'm starting to make a mess of things, but I am cleaning up these wires. They were coated with black sludge, so they're probably as clean as they can get. What we have are the two 30 amp mains going up to the fuse panel up there. This, I believe, is for the windlass, which when I got repowered, they forgot to hook back up. This goes to the accessory panel, or the switch panel. It's the power feed for that. I'm not sure what this is for. I have to trace that back. This blue line wasn't hooked up to anything. So I'm guessing the blue and the black go together. Those were not connected to anything. Figure out what these are. Grounds. Whatever. Power mains for the motors. Two of those. Wiring harness. So inside there, not so pretty. So what I'm doing is over here, you can see I've repainted, got some bilge paint, and sloppily slapped it in there just for some aesthetics. Now I gotta get the centerpiece, but I got both of those repainted, and gotta get that sidewall, and then I gotta get all in here. Also, I got some automatic battery charging relays. Stopped off at West Marine. Got a new bank. 2 charging relays. And those are going to get wired up in conjunction. So what I failed to mention here is what the ACRs are for. So they go in line in between the battery switch and the start batteries. So they take voltage being fed from the alternators or the motors while they're running and feed that to the house batteries in isolation. So you're not always running with your battery in position 1 and 2 or both. You can just run on the start batteries and charge your house battery at the same time. All right, here we are a couple days later. Bilge paint is dried. It's nice and clean in here now. Got the switches wired up. Got a little sloppy with the paint, but hey, oh well. Now to get the isolators wired and yep, everything else. All right, switch boxes installed. Yes, they're backwards, port and starboard. Yes, it bothers me. Am I going to do anything about it? Probably not. Well, it looks like everything's all wired up right, because it works. Motor started up. All electronics are working. Happy boater. Off to go fishing. Beautiful day.
ducks. It's his duck season. Alright, so we got one. It's about 20 inches. Good rockfish. Liv reeled it in. She saw the rod snap. So good job, kiddo. Good job. That was loud. Fish on, one fish in the bag. Caught it on, show you what we caught it on, a number 2 planer and one of these little fluorescent tubes. So we pulled out one of the shads and put another tube in there on a number 3 planer, and so we'll have 2 tubes at different depths. See if we can catch another one, or 2 or 3. Life is good. Fishing is fun.
We have dinner.
We have dinner, yes. We can eat tonight. Alright, so we decided to change things up a little bit. I'm marking lots of fish. Well, we were. Not anymore. Anyhow, we're out here jigging. Julie's got a casting spoon. Olivia's got a tube worm thing. Trying to catch another fish. So far, just the one in the bag. Excellent day on the water. It's about, what, 68 degrees? Sunny. Pretty calm. Kind of love it. Dog's having a snooze. Cooper, how's it going? How you doing, buddy? Alright, we're heading back to our home port. Just kind of putting along here until everybody gets situated. Playing with the radar for the first time. Pretty cool. It's the land mass and boats. So it's working, doing its thing. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.